Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove main rotating brush on Eufy X10 Pro Omni. To this, first you will need to look on the bottom side of your robot, then you'll be able to find the brush right here. There's two buttons that we need to press at the same time and then remove the cover. Now you can grab your brush and pull it to the right side. It should go out like that. Now to put it back in, you will need to align it with the slot on the left and then simply put it in. Now we need to grab the cover, first the upper side and then the bottom side, and just push it in until you hear the click noise. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.